Bum bum ba 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 bum ba 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 ba. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. You guys already know what this video is all about. You've seen the thumbnail, and here's the box. This is our Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus Star Wars Special Edition unboxing. All right, I'm sure you're all excited, so let's get to it. You slide this off to reveal Kylo Ren's repaired mask. Down here it says, "I'll show you the dark side," which is going to be a theme as we dive in. Okay, let's lift this up. Of course, there's the Star Wars branding here, and down here, the goodies. First up, we have a leather case for the Note 10 Plus with Kylo Ren's helmet engraved. The helmet shimmers when it hits the light, and embossed on the bottom is a Star Wars logo. On the other side, to protect the Note 10 Plus, you get a suede-like texture, and I don't know if you can see it, but it actually has the First Order logo. Up next, a small commemorative plaque that features Kylo Ren's helmet. If you're excited about the new movie, this is probably a collector's item you'd want. Next, another box with a SIM ejector tool. And that's it. Oh, wait, there should be more underneath this. Apparently, if you push on this flap, it will reveal a drawer. And when you pull it out, here we have the Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Buds. Both of them, of course, like everything in this package, come in black boxes. I'm excited. Okay, let's take a look at the Galaxy Buds first. Here it is. Let's open it up. Wow, that red and black combination is so badass. Marquez would love these for sure. The buds are black, but the case is a nice bright red. Now on to the main event, the Note 10 Plus. Like every other phone, let's lift this lid off, revealing the limited edition Star Wars The Rise of the Skywalker Note 10 Plus. As usual, let's set that aside for now. Also in the box, a USB-C cable, a fast charging adapter, and my favorite AKG wired headphones. So actually in this package, you get both the wired and wireless earbuds. All right, let's get to the phone. Peel this off. So this is a black Note 10 Plus, but there's another First Order logo here, as well as the Star Wars logo down here. Samsung continues the red theme. You have red accents around the camera module, as well as red power and volume buttons. Really nice. I kind of wish Samsung would make this colorway available even for non-special edition phones. Okay, let's try that case on. Nice and snug, and you still see the red accent on the camera. The phone, of course, comes with a special Star Wars theme, still very Kylo Ren centric. You get tons of icons for system apps like the camera, phone, messages, and even contacts. Lock screen looks like this, and some of the home screen wallpapers look like this. Notification shade is also black and red, and the dialer app looks like this. Really cool. Of course, this is a Samsung Galaxy Note device, so down here, as expected, there is an S Pen, but in red, taking after the color of Kylo Ren's lightsaber. I really want this, and if you follow me on social media, you know that red is one of my favorite colors. Like a lot of notes that come with different colored S Pens, the color of the ink of this red pen is red. There are a lot of other Star Wars themed features on the phone, like sound alerts and more wallpapers. If you want to see more of that, you can check out my friend the Unlocker's Instagram stories. We'll put a link in the description below. Otherwise, this is the same Note 10 Plus that we reviewed in August, so we won't get into the nitty-gritty anymore. If you want to learn more about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, click up here to watch our full review. In the US, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus Star Wars Special Edition is available on Samsung.com, at Best Buy, on Amazon and Microsoft.com, and retails for just under $1,300. And that was our Note 10 Plus Star Wars Special Edition unboxing. For more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.